Hello everyone. Today I'm making the simplest carrot cake. In my bowl here I have my butter, carrots, my flour, sugar, and my eggs. My eggs are here. And I have my mixed spice and baking powder. So I'm going to be mixing this all up. Into my bowl I'll pour in my butter and my sugar. I'll use my hand mixer to mix this up. And I'll add in my eggs. And I'll add my flour. I'll gradually add in my flour and mix. Then I'll add in the carrots, mixed spices, and baking powder. Then I'll add in my buttermilk. So guys, I'll pour in my butter into my pan. I'm going to be using a loaf pan. So I'll be baking this in my oven for 180 degree. I'll be baking it for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'll check if it's done. So guys, I actually whipped up some buttercream. This is icing sugar and butter and flavor. I'll be adding up the recipe in my description box. I'm going to be using this to decorate my carrot cake. This is my piping bag here. I'll be using this to pipe, but I'll be putting my icing sugar into this piping bag here. So this is what it looks like after putting our icing into our piping bag, and I'll be piping with this. So guys, our carrot cake is ready. I'm going to be doing some piping on this carrot cake before slicing. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like you all to try the simple carrot cake and give me your feedback in the comment section down below. So see you guys in my next one.